Hey there YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl MC. Thank you so much for being here with me. Today I'm going to spice up my hair a little bit with you guys. It's going to take me just a couple minutes. I'm going to use my Highbeams temporary color hairspray in the color burgundy. Let's get started. So I'm going to shake up my can. I want to turn on this air ventilation in the room so that I don't choke. Here we go. By now you would think that I had some sort of hair guard to like block my face, but I don't. But I recommend that if you're gonna ever try this, to use some sort of guard to cover your face. But I'm gonna do my makeup afterwards, so my face is not already made up. I did spread it out pretty evenly. And it does come out, ooh, the can is cold. And it does make your hair a little wet. I mean, when you're applying it, you just give it a couple minutes and it dries. It's not really wet, but it's a little humid because, I mean, it's a spray. What's in there is liquid. So you're going to let it dry just a couple minutes and then you can apply heat to it afterwards. So I'm going to apply some heat to it afterwards. So I think I got a good bit of color on there. Alright, there you have it. And I actually used one entire can. I'm going to go apply some heat to my hair and straighten it out a little more. As soon as it dries in like 3 minutes. And then I will be back. Okay, I'm back. So, what do you guys think? And I had a couple of spots where I didn't move it enough, and so it kind of like made a couple blotches, but the more you comb it and touch it, it kind of like comes off a little. Like you see how I have these blotches right here? I mean, it's okay in the sense that I can just comb it in a different direction and have a different outcome, somewhat. Not too bad. So that's it, guys. What do you think? You could see the color. I got it all over my comb. And then it's on my fingers after I use it. It's on my fingers, so you have to just be careful. If you plan on using this product. Just be careful when you start touching your hair. Don't forget that you got it in your hair for you to like rub and then go touch on your white blouse. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much for your love and your support. It's truly appreciated. Thank you. Much love.